Okay, finally we're learning. Good morning and happy resumption.
Mhm.
That was a break. Like I felt like we were in break. I felt like we had a long break, but nonetheless, it was second session. All right, so we are learning from this folder. Let's not forget, and we kinda did something. Let me just open the last class and get my refreshed. Who remembers this? Okay, looks like everyone's quiet. Let me open this. Who remembers this?
We do. We remember all.
All right. So remember, it's a box model. This is surrounding. This is your border. This is the content. This is the padding. All right. Um, like I said, every element can be seen as a box. Using the box model, you never get it wrong. Basically. Let's get going. I am gonna do a quick we'll move to the next topic today, and that topic is positioning. Is an important topic I wouldn't like to teach anyhow. As a matter of fact, but let's go. Position is mhm. How do I explain this? But we'll get it. We'll get it. To explain that, I want to build out a full web page if possible. Um, I don't really have, but let's try something anyway. New folder. Let's say position. New file. Save. Index.html. I hope you know what I'm doing. At least for now. Just I don't. Let's start do something serious. HTML. I have content historical so Sublime that presets have that does not give all the things you need. No problem. No problem.
Mhm.
Uh, I'll there for now until after the class, I'm gonna fix it.
Ah, no.
Okay. Um, Open in browser, just the title. Okay. For sake of learning, I'm going to do external CSS. Okay. One more thing. I used this tag in the last class. Who remember? Or class before last, if possible. We didn't write anything self with the last time. All this why. But let's hope we get that today. Mhm. Okay. I'm not thinking of how to explain this. I'm about to teach now. But go help me. Should I teach?
Did you teach what?
I'm thinking whether I should teach float and flexbox for positioning. But like, because something I'm about to do will require this. But no problem. Let's see what I can achieve. There's another tab called nav. It's not like it's compulsory, it's just necessary. I'm not sure I do what I'm doing.
Hmm.
Linus, are you here with us? Let's share our screen so that I will know who is following. If you're not writing code live, let me know.
I'm not what?
If you're not writing code live, as I'm writing, let me know. Like Linus, are you writing code alongside?
I'm not writing. I'm trying to create the folder on the file.
All right. Okay, so create a folder and then get us going. Okay, as of now, I'll be combining many topics a lot. I mean, let's go. I will see what I can achieve.
Sorry, sir. This folder we are creating, is it under CSS?
Yes.
Okay. Position.
I've just created. Okay. So have I taught class? Yes, I've taught idea and classes, right?
Hmm?
Yes. I have taught idea and classes. I've taught this now. Idea and classes. Haven't I?
You have.
Um at this point, if you go to the web page, you see nothing because I know content anyway. All right. Uh-huh. Let's go back. Good morning. Okay. Okay. So I should send meeting ID and password. Only God knows where I can get that from right now. The link I sent didn't have ID and password.
What link?
The meeting link I sent, right?
Let me check.
I didn't add it. No.
No, it doesn't.
Somebody's asking me to enter ID and password. No. Oh, I'll fix it. I'll fix it. 751880527 meeting ID. X Y T E. Okay, it's class not classing yet. Don't worry, let's class it now. All right, so let's get going. Let's have a logo here. And then let me go here and do li e tag. Boom. Copy this. Paste under itself. About contact. Okay. What else am I supposed to think about right now? Services. Okay. Just go here and check it out. Okay, next we go here and create a button. Is it really a button? Say login. Okay. Class BTN, so it means button. Class nav items. You don't answer, come attention now. Let me space this thing so that it will be clear to you. Let me just say class nav. Just to get it going. Okay, nothing change. Class doesn't change anything because until you style it, it doesn't change anything. Let's not forget. I'm trying to see how much I can achieve, but I have to explain a few things so you guys, if I can use them. That's the reality. Let's start this web page. The header. Meanwhile, what color palette are we using today? I'll show you this website to choose colors. Let me show you that one. Brandcolors.net. This one gives you all the popular brands in the world and their color palettes. Do you understand? Give me one popular brand, please. Let me search for it. Who is online? Princess, good news, Linus. Give me one popular brand. Let me search for their color palettes.
Green.
Gray? Which gray? The banking app. I mean the popular brand, not the color.
Popular one.
Brand, company.
Okay. UBA.
UBA shouldn't be here. UBA that popular in the world. UBA that's a global brand. No verse. Coca-Cola. That's it. They have only one color in their brand. All true. So such a pride. Let's try Pepsi. You have to.
UBA is covering the world.
Adidas. See plenty. Okay. Good. This is Coca-Cola. I hope you're not drinking Coke. Yes, it's drinking Coke. Yeah, I saw drinking sugar drink.
I love the duo.
Okay, so you can get any brand color you want here, and then Apple. You know. So they really add banks here, I noticed. So let's say we want to choose Asana. For Asana is a collaboration tool, like it's just like Slack. No, not like Slack. Asana is a project management tool, just like Jira and Trello. So let's use Asana column to see what we can achieve. Okay, so let's get started with this as the header, as the main column. So we're styling header, and then we're saying background column. Okay, and then if I refresh that, let's say it's reflected. It didn't reflect. Who can tell me why it not reflect? Who can tell me why styling not reflecting? Okay, I just need someone to tell us, look at this code. Tell us why styling not reflecting. Okay, any attempt?
Should I say because this? I don't know what they call that. What do they call it? What do they call it? Is it hyphen or what?
Where?
Please
What?
go. Please go up.
This is my up.
Please scroll up.
Line what? I should scroll down.
Scroll down. Yes.
Line what?
It should be.
See the line numbers here. You can trace it.
Well, what I wanted to talk about, and I know, can't see them again.
Okay.
I see
So
something else.
it is because we've not linked our HTML to our CSS. So they're not connected. So it shouldn't really work. All right. Brilliant. So if I go back and try to refresh this, it works. Does it make sense?
Mm.
Who was understand what I just did now? Or who didn't understand what I just did now? Okay, so I'm assuming that we understood it.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, you didn't understand what we just did now. Okay, so if you watch the last class video or this class, class before last, no, last class, we introduced external CSS. All right, where we write the CSS, our style on a separate sheet, on a separate file called a CSS file, and then we connect our HTML file to it using the link element. Did you watch that part of the video?
No, that's the video I said that didn't drop on the playlist.
Interesting. Okay. All right. So right now, start CSS. You create a CSS file, which what we did here. We named it style.css. What's the most important is the .css part of it, the file extension. Then we created a link tag. When you do this tag link, take note, it's inside the head tag. That's where it works better. And you do tab, it comes with this attribute by itself. You don't have to you do it by yourself. But if you didn't come with it, please write it. Then this href is where you put the link. So we're linking this file. We want to link this file to this file. They are in the same folder, so we'll just call the name of the file. I was mean they're not in the same folder, but I'm still looking for it. Maybe stars / blah blah blah, but in the same folder. Just call the name of the file. style.css to locate it. Is it clear now? Linus, I need a response, yes or no?
Fine, Joe.
Is it clear? If not, let me know how I would explain using the better analogy. I perceive Linus is having difficulty using the room. Okay, so when you bounce back, let me know. So we connected this together, so we can now write is our style here and it reflect on our web page. So we just wrote background for header and it's reflecting, as you can see here. Okay, just to be more creative, or let's continue. A tag or a tag, please. Text decoration. Let me explain this. None. So text decoration is just underlining text on all the elements. So with that out, it's called by default for links. Okay, and I'm gonna say, if I might remember. So let me arrange this thing first to be where it should be. I'm gonna use things I've not taught. Maybe I'll just teach them along the way. Uh, because I have a few minutes left. Let me start with things I've taught. So header. What I first remember is, what am I doing here? Why am I using dot in front? I need response. I did it. We learned this in some videos ago, if not the last video.
We've now recapped that video. I think that's why we have little issue with this.
Okay. I'm using dot because I'm starting a class. If you start a class, you use dots. All right. So I'm targeting this class, now brand. But then I'm not targeting directly. I'm targeting the E instead of it. Remember that if you call a selector, after this video, I will explain fully. If you call a selector and then call another selector using space, after space, it means you're targeting this instead of this. What do you call that? It should be in the first CSS class. Okay. So with this, I'm targeting the A inside the div, inside this now brand. When they meet again, just join again. So let's finish on this styling. Leave it white for now. Let me zoom my page so you can see clearly.